Hey guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I'm Caitlin, and today we are going to make buffalo chicken pizza sticks. I love this recipe because I love buffalo chicken. You know that we have cooked all sorts of fun buffalo chicken recipes on this channel because my husband and I are both a fan, and this is going to just be another delicious one to add to the list. So we are making buffalo chicken pizza sticks, and we're started with some shredded chicken that we're going to top our pizza with. Now, you can use a lot of different types of chicken for this part of the recipe. If you have leftover chicken, if you have some chicken thighs to shred up real quick, cook and shred up real quick. A rotisserie chicken works, canned chicken works. The prepackaged chicken in the meat aisle works. That's already cooked, made for salads and other dishes. So really, kind of any chicken will work here. You're just gonna want to get it nice and shredded up so that it could top your pizza and not be too clunky. After that, we're gonna add about 3/4 of a cup of buffalo sauce to the chicken. About half of a cup, depending on how much chicken you have, and give the chicken a good toss. We're also going to add a spice mixture of some garlic powder, onion powder, and a little bit of paprika, and we're going to toss it up real good. This is just a regular buffalo sauce that you could buy in the store, so no stress about that. And just toss it up perfectly and move it to the side. You're going to preheat your oven to 400 degrees, and we're going to start layering up our pizza. So we're going to take our buffalo chicken mixture and just get it right on there. And we're going to want to kind of spread it out, but I kind of find that if you do a few kind of just chunks down there first, then we could spread it out nice and evenly. So then you're going to just take, this is why you want it to be nice and shredded, because we want this recipe to be easy. Like, we want to make this quick for game day, So we're not trying to make anything too complicated. So if you get a nice kind of pre-cooked chicken, it's really easy to shred up really small like this, and then you could spread it out nice and even over your pizza crust. Next up, you're going to take some shredded Monterey Jack cheese and just get it over your pie nice and even. Now, if you don't have Monterey Jack, you could try cheddar, but I personally really like Monterey Jack with this recipe. But again, like, the fun thing about cooking is if you want to try something different, knock yourself out. You want a good amount of cheese, but you don't want to go crazy where it's like all cheese. So just like a nice even layer of that buffalo chicken and the Monterey Jack cheese. After that, we're going to take some ranch. And the best way to do this is just kind of shake it over top on a spoon like this. You don't want too much ranch where it's like overwhelming. So you just kind of shake it back and forth with the spoon. Oh, that part got a little bit extra. Or you could try drizzling it right out of the bottle if you're being brave. But we want light drizzle of ranch. We don't want over the top amount of ranch on here. Final ingredient, we're taking a little bit of sliced green onion and just throwing it over top as well. Again, just a light amount for color and flavor. And then this is going into a 400-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. You'll know it's done when your crust is completely cooked. And since you already have pre-cooked chicken on here, you don't need to worry about anything else. So when that crust is good, it is time to dig in as long as your cheese is melted. After that time in your oven, you're going to slice it up into sticks and serve as buffalo chicken pizza sticks. It is epic. You're going to love it. It is perfect for the Super Bowl. I already have requests from my family to bring it to our Super Bowl party. So definitely give this one a try and get ready to mow on it because it is awesome. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this one every week. Find me on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.